Are you looking to speed up your computer's diagramming capabilities? Now, if you find your computer is struggling to handle the millions and sometimes billions of points of point cloud data, stick around because we have a tool in Trimble RealWorks Forensic that will relieve the workload on your computer and save you time when you're doing your diagram and analysis. Laser scanning of our scenes produces a lot of data, and sometimes this data can be redundant, such as the ultra-dense points that are near the base of the laser scanner. Now, when you're laser scanning a scene, the instrument is sending out laser pulses at specific angles. What this means is that the ground and objects near the scanner will have more scan density than the objects further away. But is that extra density near the instrument really needed? What if there was a tool that we could use to reduce that ultra-dense point cloud near the base down to something that our computers could more easily handle? Enter the Trimble RealWorks Forensic Sampling tool. Now, on the left is a point cloud that's been sampled down from the full density point cloud on the right. Now, the one on the left has been sampled from nearly 144 million points down to just 18 million. The point cloud file size has also been reduced from 2.3 gigabytes to just 313 megabytes, making it much easier to transport, share, and store. Now, this is a huge reduction in overhead with virtually no discernible quality loss. Now, you can't see this, but the smoothness of my scene navigation in Trimble Forensics Reveal has been improved drastically, and my computer isn't having to work nearly as hard when I have the full cloud hidden, instead using the sampled point cloud to place my models and draw my walls. I can always turn on the full point cloud if needed, but the bulk or oftentimes all of my diagramming and analysis can be done with the smaller sampled point cloud. If you have a computer with less than stellar performance, this may be the tool for you. To get started, let's open our scene in Trimble RealWorks Forensic. I'm in production mode, and I already have my scene cleaned up and auto-classified. From here, I select the clouds I want to sample by clicking on them, and in the Edit ribbon, we're going to find the Sampling tool. This will open a box on the right side of the screen, and from the drop-down, we can select what kind of sampling we would like to do. Now, in a previous tech tip, we showed you how to use the sampling by station mode to extract each station as its own cloud, then perform a cleanup of mirror reflections. This time, instead of sampling by station, we will conduct a spatial sampling. Here, we could specify the distance between points. Now, any points closer together than this distance will not be included in the newly created cloud. I'm going to put in 0.0625 inches, or roughly 1/16 of an inch. When I click Preview, I'll see the result in my viewer window. Now, if I'm happy with this result, I'll click Create, and a sampled copy of my original cloud is created in my object list. Now, keep in mind that you are not removing or deleting anything from your original cloud, but creating a working copy that is a little bit less dense. Now that we have our sample cloud created, we export it out as an E57 and import it into Trimble Forensics Reveal. Once we've imported the cloud into Reveal, to use it, we simply make it visible from the Layer Manager. To use the full density cloud, we just toggle the visibility of that one. That wraps up this week's episode on using the Trimble RealWorks Forensic Sampling tool. Now, if you found this useful, give us a thumbs up to let us know. And if you have any questions about this or any other tools in Trimble RealWorks Forensic, shoot us a comment below, and we would be happy to answer them or make another tech tip just for you. Stay safe, and we'll see you all again next week.